Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on a video. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the Makartt Green Nail PolyGel Kit, you guys. I am so excited because I absolutely love green and teal and anything to do with green and blue. I just love it. So this kit can be found on www.makartt.com. My affiliated link is down below. So what you would do is click on my affiliate link and then use my code. And my code is also down below. So if you want to order this kit, it is $46.99, plus you will get a discount using my link. I've used my Erykah Tour pipe nails. I've cut them down. Now, I know a lot of you are probably saying, Jamie, why are you using the pipe nails so much? Well, I'll tell you why. Because the pipe nails have a very deep C-curve, and it's really easy to use the deeper C-curves when you're applying the product on the underside of these nails, like I have been doing. It's the easy way, yes. Can you do it on flatter shaped nail tips? Yeah, it's just a little harder. So that's why I'm using the pipe nails. It's a lot easier. I do have my nail guards on, and that video should be up very soon, so keep looking for that. I have some beautiful all-color green flowers and leaves here that I've picked out and placed. A bunch of petals. Everything is green, and all different colors of green. I think I've already said that. And then I'm also using my girl Gigi MVP Nail Designs Fairy Collection glitters, and these are the 4 colors that I've chosen. Alright, so let's jump in and look at this kit. It comes in this really nice green packaging with the flowers, and that's where the inspiration came from to use the flowers, was the little leaves here on the packaging, which I know it's really hard to see, but hey, why not, right? It's summertime. Let's have some fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. We have 4 little, I think these are 15 ml, yes. We have 4 15 ml polygels. We have a, let's see, does it say? Alright, this one is the clear. It does have the names on the website of these, so I'm going to get that and let you know the names. So, okay, aquamarine, and then we have the light jade, and then we have the mint green. And then we have the 100-180 washable file. We have the surface cleaner or slip solution. You can use it for either cleaning off the inhibition layer or for using it to as a slip solution. We have a green Makartt brush and spatula. How cool. I love these colors. And then we have the top and base coat. Top and base. Underneath, we also have some smaller dual forms. And then we have the instruction manual. These are, it actually comes in a very nice little box. And when you open it up, it has these are actually the shorter dual forms, and I've never used the shorter ones. So we're actually going to be doing a dual form series on my channel very soon. I would say in the next month or so. So keep an eye out for that. So I will be using those in that series. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some foil glue, and the reason I'm using foil glue is because it's very tacky, and this is what we're going to use to adhere the flowers with. And then we're going to use the base coat to adhere the glitter. So I'm going to just put that foil glue on the underside of this entire nail. And I'm going to do this with all 5 nails. You're going to let this sit and dry. Now I usually let mine sit for about 10 minutes. I want it to be really sticky. I went ahead and did 2 so far just to see how I wanted to do it, and I am using the base coat as well to like lay them down. That way when I cure it, they'll stick and the polygel when I put the PolyGel on, it's not going to move. Just to be on the safe side. I know I put the foil glue down and that will keep it from moving, but just to be safe, I want to secure it with base gel. So I am going to put a little bit of the Makartt base coat on my palette. And then what I've been doing is taking the brush and dipping it into the base just a little bit, and then I'll pick up what I want to put in the nail. So let's do a flower, and remember you got to turn these upside down. So let me do a little flower right there, and then you're going to press it and rub that base coat on top. So then it's going to stay. Let me zoom it in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let's do it. We'll do one up close. Alright, so I'm going to grab my base, and now I'm going to grab a leaf, and I'm going to put the leaf, let's see, let's just put it right here. And with the foil glue, it's going to keep the leaf down, or it should anyway. And then grab a little more base, and then you can continue to add your other little bits and pieces and glitters and whatever you want to add in there. I'm just putting the base right on top of everything. That leaf doesn't want to stay down, so I'm fixing to do a flash cure. Keep that little booger down. Okay, into the base, I'm going to grab one little flower there. Okay, and now I think I have enough. I'm going to start adding the glitters from the Fairy Collection by MVP Nail Designs. So what I do is I take a little base, grab the glitter, and lay it in. You're wanting to lay those glitters nice and flat. So I'm just randomly grabbing different glitters from her Fairy Collection, and I'm just putting those in there. I don't want to cover up everything with glitter because we're going to have that PolyGel coming through that. Have that done, I'm going to go ahead and do like a 10-second flash cure, and then I'm going to grab a flower. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to go down in here, take my base, and just go over the top of it with the base. Okay, I'm going to put a leaf here. Okay, a little bit of base. Just going to set it right in here. Okay, now let's grab Alright, so I'm going to do the last nail, and then we're going to come back and put the PolyGel on. So give me 1 second. Alright, I've got them all done and ready for the PolyGel. I did go ahead and put one on my nail, and it looks so cute. I cannot wait to show you guys this whole set when we're finished. Alright, so I'm going to take, I've got all the colors open except for the clear, but we are going to be using the clear also. For the clear, we're going to do something different. We're going to do like a negative space type situation, and I'll show you how. So I'm going to take this beautiful aquamarine color first, and we're going to put that down by kind of by the cuticle, and I'm going to use my base coat to spread it. Make sure it goes from your side wall to your side wall. Don't put it too thick by the cuticle, or else you will get a lot of spillage. I'm going to bring it up to about right there. Let me zoom in if you guys can see it a little better. I'm going to bring it to about right there, and then I'm going to make it, I'm going to square it off, and then I'm going to take the clear, and I'm going to put the clear right in the center. And I'm going to pat that down. And kind of square that out. Same aquamarine color. And then that's going to go on top. I'm going to turn my lamp on, and I actually have it over here, so let me show you guys. I have my little light right here, and I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to go ahead and adhere it to my accent finger. Now you're going to see the PolyGel. You're going to want to smush it until it grabs your free edge and cure. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pop it into my light for about 10 seconds just to do a flash cure on that. And actually it looks good. We did a good job, see? And you're going to also top coat the underside of these, but we'll do that at the end. So with this one, let's do an all clear. So I'm going to squeeze out the clear. Pop it down in there. Alright, so with the clear, you can actually see the nail going all the way to your free edge. So once you have that done, take care of any of the spillage. Alright, make sure it's straight, and then go ahead and cure that. Alright guys, before I file, shape, and buff these, I am going to go ahead and top coat the underside, just so that when I'm filing, we don't get any of the mess up underneath these nails. So I'm going to top coat the underside of them real quick with the Makartt No Wipe Top Coat. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. File, shape, and buff, and I will return in just a second. Alright guys, oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. Okay, the last step is to add some rhinestones. So I do have some green opal rhinestones, and then I've got a couple like teardrop green rhinestones, and I'm just going to use my nail glue, and then I'll top coat it with the Makartt top coat. there we have my green Makartt PolyGel nails. I hope you like them. I have one more step to do, and that is to add the cuticle oil. I'm going to use my Cafe Nail Products by Gina. I'm going to use her lemongrass cuticle oil, and you can purchase these. Link is down below. And this stuff smells absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to put it all the way around. And someone asked me if the glitter came out while I was putting the cuticle oil on, and yes, it does. But it's not bad. It comes out, but you can wash it off after the cuticle oil goes into your skin. You can just wipe it right off. But it smells absolutely divine. So here is the set, and I think the clear part turned out pretty good. I needed to get it a little straighter, but it's okay. This one actually turned out really nice. It's actually really clear polygel. Surprising. I love it. And I really think these floral nails turned out great. I am a huge gardener. I love to garden, and these are right up my alley. I'm going to see how long I can leave these on without them popping off, and I will let you guys know. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Go check out the green polygel kit by Makartt. Again, that link is down below with all of my other codes if you're interested. And that is the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, subscribe if you are new. Click the notification bell so you know when I upload. Like, share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.